Switch to comm. Newport News Tower, Sky 35502 is over the York River Bridge with information Oscar. We'd like to request the option.
Cessna 35502, Newport News Tower, enter the left downwind for runway 7, report left midfield downwind.
Enter downwind for runway 07, report left midfield downwind for Sky 502.
Okay. Newport News Tower, Pat 622, Charles inbound 917.
Pat 622, Newport News Tower, runway 7, cleared to land, wind 120 at 6.
So coming this way.
6, cleared land, picking.
Maintain 2,000 for now or start descending for 1,000?
I'll probably start doing a nice smooth descent.
Okay.
How far are we from the airport?
Oh, you gotta type that in direct too, right?
Yeah, go ahead and do that. Yeah, direct 2.
This is different than the other one. No, it's not.
Yeah, direct 2. There you go.
Okay. P.
Divide your attention though. Make sure that, okay. Gotta hit it one more time. So about 5 miles.
5.6 miles.
Yep. So we want to be at 1,000 feet within about 3 miles. That's a good safe distance. You don't want to be anything below. You don't want to be at 1,000 feet like 5 miles out.
Okay.
So let's slow our descent rate a little bit. And you can probably turn on your taxi lane light and start running your descent checklist.
Descent checklist. Power as desired, mixture adjuster, smooth operation, full rich.
Okay.
Altimeter sets the same, nav GPS is on GPS, fuel selector valve both. Wing flaps as desired. For descent checklist complete.
Okay. And I'll probably go ahead and do the before landing checklist as well.
Before landing checklist. Seat backs most upright position on the left.
That's right on the right.
Seat belts secure on the left.
Secure on the right.
Fuel selector valve is both. Mixture is full rich. Landing taxi lights on. Autopilot is off.
Okay, good.
Before landing checklist complete. 1,000 feet.
Alright, good.
So report midfield on the downwind.
Yeah. Make sure you maintain 1,000 feet, okay?
And you want to be like 2.5 miles or 1 mile from the airport during your downwind?
I normally do 1 mile to 1.5 miles. The runway should be at the middle of the strut. Right?
Yeah, so 2.5 miles.
Yeah.
Right here, seem okay?
Yeah, you can probably start your turn. A little far. I'll come in just a little bit more. Alright, and roll out. There you go. Nobody's landing right now. Okay, you can roll back to parallel.
Report midfield.
Yeah, go ahead and report midfield.
Newport News Tower, Sky 35502 is midfield downwind for runway 07.
Cessna 35502 Newport News Tower, rudder runway 7, you're cleared for the option. After the option, make left traffic.
Clear for the option, runway 07, make left traffic, 35502.
At 622, turn left taxiway, golf taxi to the ramp via Delta Alpha, cross runway 20.
Roger, understand. Cross, or via Delta to Alpha.
Start descending.
Yep.
Flaps 10.
Uh-huh. Look for 80 knots, 85 knots. Looks like we're getting drifted out a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but we were sliding out that way.
Right. When do they turn the runway lights on?
Not sure. You can start turning to the base. What speed do we want over here?
65?
75.
75?
85, 75, 65, right?
Okay. Then flaps 20.
Yep. Moon is big today.
I'm having trouble seeing what the runway is.
Keep coming. A little bit more power.
Oh, I see it.
I think we probably should make this one a full stop.
You want me to ask it? Request full stop?
Yeah. No, just tell them that this will be a full stop.
Newport News Tower, this will be full stop for 5502.
Roger, wind 1306.
Gonna start the turn.
Yep.
Newport News Tower, experimental 711.
Why'd you give him more power?
Coleman Bridge inbound with Oscar.
It's turning.
Yeah, but you don't have to give that much power.
Flaps full.
Yeah. We're fast now, so we got.
711 Kilo Juliet, Newport News, enter the left downwind for runway 7, report entering the downwind.
Left downwind for 7-1 Kilo Juliet.
So we got some winds to the right. Winds are 130. Yeah. So think about how you're gonna have that right aileron in and using left rudder, okay?
Right.
Don't get too slow though. Get it right over the runway. There you go. There you go. Just like that. Alright, good. Let it roll out. You can let it roll out.
502, turn left taxiway, Foxtrot, taxi to the ramp via Delta and Alpha, cross runway 20.